Hi, welcome to Python, and let's get started to the Python beginner series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download the Python, and let's get started. So you first go to the anaconda.com, and once you go to the product, now they have changed the website. So we'll go to the individual edition, and then just click download. Click on the download, select your version. So this is 64 bits. Most of the machines now are on the 64 bits. I'll download this, save. Okay. So I'll take a pause for a minute. Meanwhile, is coming. Maybe it's not is going pretty fast. So yeah. So in this tutorial, I will cover download and let's see how to use it, right? So let's get started. So okay, so pretty much now it's downloaded. So I'm using the Windows machine, so that's why I'm using this edition. So I click on it once the download is complete, and then it should give me the options to install, right? And based on your operating systems, you can pick it up, and that's pretty normal. I think now most of the people. Okay, so I'll go to the next, and then I agree. I say okay, just me. Anyway, I'm only the one depend upon. You can take it. Okay, it's asking my where to install. I say Anaconda 3. Okay, so since I already have the Anaconda installed before, maybe seems like it's not deleted. So I will do that 331. Okay, and next. Oops. Okay, so seems like that folder was not cleaned for me. Okay, so I have cleaned it. Now I'll go next. And then it asks me, do you want to register? I'll just keep the regular settings without anything, and then just hit that install button. So pretty much based on your the processor, the installation is honestly quite fast look like. So I'll put a hold here, and then just to save some video timing, otherwise it will be getting pretty big. Okay, so once the installation is complete, it will show you. It might take for a while, and it shows there as is complete. Click next, and then click next, and then it says learn more, and just click finish. Right, so pretty much once you have clicked, it will open two windows for me, just asking me to create an account and all. So I'll just skip that for a minute. And then next, what we can do. So the next thing is what you'll do, you simply go to the start menu, and then it shows you something like this, that a spider or Jupyter notebook or the Anaconda prompt is there. For me, I will just simply go to the Jupyter notebook, or directly we can go that directly, or we can just go to the Anaconda prompt and type the Jupyter notebook. So for the simplicity's sake, let's go and click, because most of our tutorial will be based on that. So first time when you might open, it will ask you to associate with the file. So just like this. So I have did yes, and then you just open in your browser. Okay, so once you have the browser open, it should look like something like this. Then what I'll do, you can go to any other folders wherever you want. So I'll go to the document folders, and then I'll go to the Python learn. So basically this is an empty folder, right? I don't have anything. And then to create a new Jupyter notebook, you'll select the new and then create Python 3. It will open a new file, and now it's come up with this. So it's like a cell, so each cells will go and now perform our action. So for example, we can do 2 plus 2, right? If you just press enter, it will go to the next cell, right? So in order to run this, so basically just press control enter, and then you can see the result will come. Now I want to add a new cell, so go to the cell, I will insert cell below, and then it's added me. So you might have noticed two things. So first thing is, whenever the cell is in the cells you are, it will be highlighted as a blue, but once you click on the cell, it will turn as a green. So this means it's ready to take the actions. Similarly, you can try any other, right? 2 times 2, and then this time I want to try shift enter, and you see the moment I try shift enter, not only it execute but also give me the next one. So it's save me times rather than go up, right? So one more thing I like to highlight here, that this, and then you can add any other operation, multiply, divide and all, right? So this cell is on the code, right? The code. If I want to change this, you can change this to a heading or markdown. Let's say if I do a markdown, then it will, this is the comment cells, right? And put shift enter, right? So this will come as a comment. So these are more like a notes where we have to, similarly I can switch it, so you feel free to play around. Okay, so let's do, I'll want to do some multiply divide. So let's say I want to do 2, I already show you 2, let's say plus 2 times 10 divide by 1, let's say 2, right? So and then shift enter, right? So this is the how you can do it, right? 2 plus 2 multiply divide, so the answer will be 4. So these are the operation, nothing much fancy I'm showing what are the different arithmetic operation you can able to perform. Okay, now this book is right now has no name, so I can click here and then say first book, right? And enter. So look, it will now have my first book, right? And it comes to this folder. Okay, so if I want to if I want to save this, I can save, close and save. It will save as a result here. And let's say if I want to close this book, I can just simply close this. Okay, say leave. And so now basically I'm showing, okay, suppose now I want to open the book again. So this tab is here, so I can come here and click on this book again, and you can see my work is here as well. So if you want to refresh, you can again go control enter, and like these, use the arrow key, just play around, right? So play around and then enter here. So I think this is a pretty good video. So we have covered how to install and then play around as well. In the next video, I will use some library and go from the next steps. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you and bye for now.